Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club. Today I am here with the new updates. I'm going to give you a very happy news about the YouTube short videos new feature. So you can get a million views, you can get the million subscribers, and you can get a lot earnings from the short videos. You can do your short videos and then earn a lot money. You are going to learn in this video how you can post your short video, what resolution required YouTube, and then how many minutes YouTube will take your video to put in the short video list. Everything you can learn in this video. So if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Then let's go to the our topic. So as we know, YouTube before they want to give the new feature about the short videos. That is, we are all waiting for the that maybe we think they give the new application or whatever. We are thinking like that, but YouTube never give any new application. They are just giving the new feature in the inside the YouTube applications, and then they are going to pick short videos from your channel. They automatically take from your channel and then they put there in the short videos, and then you can get the million views. I'm going to show you demonstration. Lot of people earning a lot money and then lot of subscriber and lot of views because of the short videos. You are not going to stop your long videos, but these short videos you can explain whatever your channel about, what category you can do about your category. Depend on your category, whatever you want, you make it the short video as a demonstration or whatever. What category you have tech channel, you have kitchen channel, you have fashion channel, you have education channel. You can make short video and then put daily basis. You can put maximum 3 videos to 4 videos, not upload more than 3 or 5 or 6. At least you just post 1 or 2 or 3 videos, so at least YouTube can pick the short video and then put in the browse features. So I'm going to show you demonstration. Lot of people doing like this and then they get the million views and then million subscribers very fast. Now YouTube will help you to grow your channel very fast by this feature. So we are lucky on this platform. We are posting our short videos to get more views, get more earnings, and then our monetize also that videos is on. We are very happy for this feature. So I'm going to show you as a demonstration. As you can see here, once we open the YouTube, as you can see the short videos, every our dashboard or our browse features, you can see the short videos. This, even if you open these videos, you can get the million views of on these videos. As you can see, the this one is 46 seconds, 16 seconds, 48 seconds, 35 seconds, like this short videos. And then they earn. I open just this video, swipe up the different Assalamu alaikum dosto. Swipe up, swipe up down. You can do it like that, and so we see already the demonstration how we can see the short videos and then they earn a million views in a one day. In very short time they can get the million views. So everybody thinking how we can upload the videos. This one is very simple. As we doing the always uploading our video, the same title, description, tags, we same thing we are doing. Then after that we continue uploading. YouTube will pick this short video from our channel, and then they will put in the short videos. This one will automatically, YouTube will take your videos. So you try to from today, try to make base content and then short videos, so at least you can earn a million views and then millions of the subscribers very fast. YouTube will help you to grow. So one more thing I forget to tell you, that video, if you are doing the short video, you must resolution is portrait screen, not the landscape screen, 4.3 or whatever, portrait screen, not the landscape screen. Normally we are shooting the any video, we are doing the landscape. So the short, for the short videos, you do the portrait screen video and then upload, because this one going to in the features portrait screen. So you don't record the landscape, you record in the portrait screen. Hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with the latest